Hello YouTubers, so today's video is going to be about how I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to blow dry my hair because I desperately need a trim. So this is what I'm going to use today. I find the teeth parts are gappy enough and long enough. I'm just going to do it gently. I'm going to start from the ends and work my way up. I've got my hair in 4 sections. I'm probably going to divide them into smaller sections just to get it through. So yeah, I know my ends are bad, so when you see them, don't shout and say, oh my god, the ends are bad. Because I know. So I'm literally just going to use my own pair of scissors, which I have here, and just go through and just snip. Hopefully, when we are out of lockdown, I will be making my way to a salon to get my hair cut. So some facts. It is January the 9th, 2021, and we are in the middle of a national lockdown in London. And so basically all the salons are shut, so I can't get a cut, I can't get a trim. My last cut, or my last trim, was March last year, so it's been a while, almost a year now, and I can't take it anymore in terms of my detangling because the ends are just raggedy. So I need to get rid of them. I need to get rid of them quick. So I have brainstormed, thought about, researched, how can I do it myself? So I'm not professional with this, but I just want to trim my ends, cut my ends, just to help. I believe it's going to help with my detangling process. So also I haven't actually, November 2019 was my last braid hairstyle. So that means that and when I braid my hair, I always blow dry it with my brush or my comb attachment to get it straight, because my hair is just too curly. It needs to be straight to be able to braid it. So that was the last time that my hair was in a blowout, ready for braid. So let's say my last blowout was September 2019. Took out that braid hairstyle November 2019, and ever since then I've been embracing my natural hair texture 24/7, if you like. I would probably say March 2020 was when I was consistently wearing a wash and go. So here we are, January 2021, and I am going to, hopefully this works, because I haven't done it in a while, blow out my hair, and then I'm just going to see in the mirror, just cut, because it just needs to be cut. And then hopefully then my wash days are going to be much easier, my detangling is going to be much easier. So yeah, I am going to be using this. So it's Revlon. So my last probably 2 times I've blown out my hair, I've used this. Before I've just used a more blow dry comb pick. But that, once I got this, I was like, where has this been all my life? Well, obviously then I went to wash and go live, so I haven't used this since. So this is what I'm going to use today. Right, I just had to quickly cream my face because I realised I've been talking to a dry face. So let's get started. I do have a water bottle to keep spritzing it. I do have leave-in conditioner left in my hair, by the way. It may not look like it. This is the 4 sections. And then I've got my comb. I'm just going to use it in the white because nothing else is going to I'm just going to blow dry it all and then I'm going to cut. So I'm going to show you some parts of the way and I'll come back finished. Start. So, oh gosh, I can't use this one. Okay, so yeah, it's got 3 settings, cold, and then warm, and I guess hotter. So yeah, I'm going to put this on, so excuse the noise. So I'm gonna go and get that, even if maybe, I don't know, if it's, well, don't know how much it actually works, but I'm just gonna do it just in case. Right, I'm back, and I'm just gonna use this old number from Tresemme, which is called Protect Heat Defense. So even though I'm not doing hot heat, but I'm just gonna do it anyway, because I'm scared. I haven't that is in over a year. So let's do this right. Let's start again, shall we? So yeah, the highest speed definitely works better. But as you can see, those ends are nasty. I think what I'll do, yeah, I'm gonna wait until I've done everything. Probably do need a smaller comb just to get through these bits. but I'll do everything and then I'll figure out how to cut it and make it even. But although I guess with curly hair the difficulty is you've got different curl patterns in your head. So like I've got some bits which are really coily and some bits that are not. So cutting it straight is probably not the best, but like I said, I'm not doing anything dramatic, but I just need my ends sorted out because that is all needs to go. Anyway, I'm going to do the rest and I'll come back. I wanted to show you a section. So basically my year of braids was 2019 and I was doing everything and anything, hairstyles from, let's say, lemonade braids to train track braids where you have like the not gel, that's not what we call it, but that whole stuff you put on and then braid anyway. So I had a ponytail, but I remember at the time the stylist was basically saying, your hair, and I have been monitoring it, but yeah, it is growing back in. That's basically it. Okay, so I finished now. I'm actually going to rest now because I'm not going to tackle this whole chopping and stuff until tomorrow. As you can see, look at these ridiculous ends. The back of my hair doesn't tend to get the thin ends. It's more so when I get up to here, but then it just leaves me with a mullet hairstyle because the back is like super long. It's kind of short. Middle is probably the shortest. But yeah, I'll be back. Hopefully we can make my ends look good again.